Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've got my cup of coffee because I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. I have some delicious recipes to show you that would be perfect for breakfast on Christmas morning. So let's get started. So the first recipe that I want to show you is something that my mom has made every year since I can remember at Christmas, and that is for sausage balls. So delicious. And these sausage balls are so cheesy and so good. So let me show you how to make them. So you will need your favorite baking mix, and then here is the secret. You can get cheese whiz. This is just the Aldi brand of like a cheese dip. This is what really gives them such a good cheesy flavor. Of course, you will need a pound of sausage, and then I like to add some additional cheese. So I have a cup of shredded cheddar and then some milk. Okay, so I have a pound of pork sausage. Then I'm going to add my cup of shredded cheddar. And then I'm going to add this jar of cheese dip. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of this baking mix. And then I'm going to pour my milk into this jar. And I'm going to kind of mix this around just to get out all that excess cheese. Okay, I'm about to go in here with my hands, so I've got to push up my sleeves really good and have some nice clean hands, because here I go. All right. You just have to mix this until it's all combined. Okay, I have sprayed a baking sheet, and then I'm just going to take a scoop and make scoops of these and put these onto my baking sheet. Now, if you don't have a scoop, you can use a spoon. Just spoon them on. Just make little balls. So now I'm going to bake these in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. And something that I love about these sausage balls is that they keep really well in the refrigerator. And then when you need a quick breakfast, you can just pop some in the microwave to reheat them. And also, since they make a lot, you can put them in a freezer Ziploc bag and keep them in your freezer. And then when you need a breakfast on the go, put some in the microwave, and they are delicious. So the second recipe that I want to share with you is for my breakfast muffin cups. Now, I just love these. They are so versatile. You can put whatever meat or cheese in them that you want, and they also keep really well in the refrigerator. A nice grab and go breakfast, or a make ahead breakfast for Christmas morning. So here is what you need to make your breakfast muffin cups. I am making a Southwest ham breakfast cup today, but you will need crescent rolls. I've got diced ham, cheddar cheese, red and green bell pepper, and an onion. But I love the fact that you can use sausage, bacon, any kind of meat that you want, or you can go vegetarian and do spinach, and like sun-dried tomatoes are really good. And you can use whatever cheese, whether it's cheddar or Swiss, Gouda. Oh, that's what I like about it. It's so versatile. And I kind of forgot, you will need some eggs. Okay, you'll need a muffin tin, and I've sprayed it with some nonstick spray, and then I'm going to make just slices. I'm going to keep my roll just like this, and I'm going to just push them into the bottom of my muffin cup. And you do want to try to kind of press them up the sides just a little bit. They kind of like look like little nests, like little birds' nests. Okay, so I have chopped up my peppers and onion into a small skillet with some olive oil. I'm just going to saute these up just until they become a little bit tender. I just want them to soften before I put them into my cups. Okay, so while my peppers and onions are cooking, I'm going to add eggs to a bowl. And I use 1 egg for every 2 cups. So I've got 16 muffin cups, so I'm going to use 8 eggs. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And this just really gives it a nice richness. And then I'm going to sprinkle some salt. I normally would put cracked black pepper, but I looked to grab my pepper and it's out. So I'm not going to be able to use pepper today, but that's okay. Then you just want to whisk. And if you don't have heavy cream, you can use milk. And you want to do this for a good amount of time just to make sure that your eggs are nice and airy. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is just sprinkle in some ham. And then I'm going to sprinkle in some of the peppers and onions. And then I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to carefully pour just a little bit of this egg mixture, just until you see it come up in the cup. And then you want to put this into a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So for the third recipe that I want to share with you, it is for my cranberry ham and cheese sliders. So delicious. There are many ways to make sliders, but this is just a nice sweet and savory slider that is so good. So let me show you how to make them. So here is what you will need to make your cranberry ham and cheese sliders. Now you will need, this is my cranberry dip. You can find the recipe if you go to my 3-ingredient cranberry sauce, and all this dip consists of is that cranberry sauce plus cream cheese. It's super easy. But another option for you is you can get the canned cranberry sauce and add it to cream cheese, and that will work as well. Now you will also need your Hawaiian sweet rolls and then your cheese. And today I'm just using the deluxe slices of American cheese and then Swiss cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese, whether it's Colby Jack or even pepper jack would be really good. It would get a nice little spice, or cheddar, any cheese that you want. And then I'm just using a bag of the honey smoked ham. So now I'm just going to show you how I put these sandwiches together. I'm going to slice my rolls. So now I'm going to brush some salted melted butter on top of each roll. And then I'm going to sprinkle some poppy seed on top. So now I'm going to cover this with some aluminum foil and bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at these beautiful ham and cheese slider. And finally, for my Christmas tree Danish. Oh, it is so good and it's beautiful and festive. So let me show you how to make it. And here is what you will need for your Christmas tree Danish. You will need cherry pie filling, cream cheese, sugar, 2 tubes of crescent rolls, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and milk. Next, we're going to open up our crescent rolls. And you're going to want to leave them just like this. Okay, to a sheet tray, I have placed some parchment paper. And now I'm going to take my crescent rolls and I'm going to make slices. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to make an indentation in each one of these crescent rolls. And then I'm going to begin to scoop just a little bit of this cream cheese mixture on each roll. And then I'm going to place a cherry on top of each of the cream cheese. And now I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Look at that. How delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing all of my delicious breakfast recipes that are so good for Christmas morning. And make sure that you subscribe if you have not already, because I am sharing delicious recipes each and every week. And if you hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. And also, give me a big thumbs up and let me know that you like my videos. Now, I have some great recipes coming up for the new year. We're going to get healthy, people, okay? So get ready. But I do hope that you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I will see you soon with more recipes.